Today we are going to be reading a passage about weather. And each paragraph I will pause after I have finished reading it so you can go ahead and paraphrase the passage. And remember, guys, paraphrase means you're putting it in your own words. So take what this person has said and think about it. Think about it really hard. And then what I want you to do is I want you to tell me in your words, what is this passage about? Because that's all paraphrasing really is, putting it in your own words. The first paragraph right here, and you can follow along with my mouse, says, precipitation is any type of moisture that falls from the sky. How does this happen? First, the sun heats up the water on Earth and turns it into water vapor. This is called evaporation. Then the air cools the water vapor in a process called condensation. The vapor then forms a cloud. After the clouds form, precipitation will fall from the sky. This is the water cycle. Now I'm going to give you a second, and if you need to, you can rewind it back to when I started reading about precipitation, and I want you to paraphrase what this passage was about. All right? You can pause here while you're paraphrasing, and I am going to go ahead and go to the next paragraph. The next paragraph is about a thunderstorm. And again, you can follow along with my mouse and you can go back and re-listen as much as you need to make sure you know how to paraphrase this in your own words. A thunderstorm is a rainstorm with thunder and lightning. It is caused by unstable air. This is warm air that rises quickly. As the warm air moves up, it will begin to cool and form a cumulonimbus cloud. Rain begins to fall from the clouds and the wind picks up. Lightning is a brief flash of electricity. Lightning is a brief flash of electricity. That's kind of cool. Thunder is a sound wave caused by the lightning. Guys, now we know the difference between thunder and lightning. I love this. So go ahead and pause and think about what I just read. And you might want to go back and re-listen to the paragraph or reread the paragraph. And then we are going to go to the third paragraph. Oh, it's about tornadoes. All right, let's think about how we paraphrase. Remember, we got to read the passage or listen to the passage. We have to think about what it's saying, and then we have to put it in our own words. It's so important. So this third paragraph says, a tornado is a fast spinning column of air that touches the ground and a cloud. They usually form from a thunderstorm. Wind speeds from a tornado can reach 200 to 300 miles per hour. And guys, if you didn't know, MPH stands for miles per hour. Most tornadoes only last a few minutes, but they can cause a lot of damage. The funnel-shaped clouds can pick up houses, trees, cars, and even people. That's right, you can be picked up by a tornado, but let's not let that happen, guys. They are very dangerous and powerful. So now that we've read all three paragraphs, you should have already paraphrased the first and the second one. Go ahead and paraphrase this paragraph about the tornado and tell me what is most important. Once you have finished with this, please go ahead and submit. And I hope you have learned a little bit about tornadoes, thunderstorms, and the water cycle, which is the best.